Today is day 1 after Smart FE procedure, indication lowering the hairline. From the anterior point to the existing hair is 2.5 cm and from the temple angle both sides 4 cm. Today we are seeing again 10 months ago we did a Smart FE technique for this young girl for lowering hairline, and now let's have a look the result after 10 months. This is the hairline. These are all the planted grafts. It looks very natural. The orientation slits here, the first 2 rows were sagittal. Behind here is perpendicular slits, and there are 2 mounts here so that to mimic a natural hairline. Here, hidden around here is the birthmark. Patient wanted to hide this birthmark. We lower the line at the frontal temple angle to cover the birthmark. Now as we comb here, the hair looks very natural. The angle, direction, all is perfect, and the light is unable to go through here.
I'm very happy with the result after 10 months. Now I can style my hair however I want. Thank you, doctor.